Okay, this is a this or that tag video and I am super excited about this. Thank you so much, Rachel, for tagging me in this. I'll put the link for this. It's off the Nikki Tutorials website. I'll put it in the description box in case y'all want to do this. At the end, I will be tagging 3 people. Before we get started, subscribe to my channel. And my phone is about to die, so I'm gonna have to try to go through this as fast as possible. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Starting off is makeup, blush or bronzer. I am so a bronzer girl. I can live without blush way before I could live without bronzer. Lip gloss or lipstick. I am definitely a liquid lipstick, matte lipstick type of girl. I don't wear much lip gloss unless I'm not really wearing makeup and I'm trying to moisturize or keep my lips more moisturized. Eyeliner or mascara. I feel like my eyes are so naked when I don't have mascara on, so definitely mascara. Foundation or concealer. I guess foundation, because there are days that I don't wear concealer if I'm in a hurry or anything. But I definitely like having my full coverage foundation on. Neutral or color eyeshadow. If y'all know me, y'all know I'm gonna choose neutral. I am definitely a neutral nudes type of girl. Pressed or loose eyeshadows. Pressed, I definitely think for me, because I'm very messy, loose eyeshadows are too messy, and I would normally go for palettes. I don't like individual type stuff. Brushes or sponges. I would definitely say brushes. There are days that I forget to wet my sponge and I don't feel like going in there and wetting it or whatever, so I can deal without a sponge better than I could without a brush. This is nails. OPI or China glaze. Definitely OPI. I went to cosmetology school and we mainly used OPI, and just a really great brand. China glaze is really great too, but I just really love OPI. Long or short? Definitely short. I don't feel right with long nails. I tried it once, like when I first started YouTube, and it was just not me. And also with having kids, it's just not very practical. Acrylic or natural? I like my natural nails. I haven't actually gotten my nails done with acrylic since then. I don't like the way they mess my nails up, make them all brittle and stuff. Brights or darks? Definitely darks. But I like nudes too for my nails. But if I had to choose, it'd be darks. Flower or no flower? I'm not really a design kind of girl. Perfume or body splash? Now for everyday wear, I wear body sprays. I love Victoria's Secret pink body sprays. I am obsessed. But if I'm going out on a date with my husband or church or anything like that, I'd put perfume on. Lotion or body butter? I don't really use body butter, so I would have to say lotion. Body wash or soap? Definitely body wash. Lush or other bath company? I've never tried Lush. I usually use Bath & Body Works shower gels, and I love Victoria's Secret pink bath bombs. I usually stock up around Christmas when they have sales and stuff. Fashion, jeans or sweatpants? I am definitely a leggings, sweatpants, yoga pants kind of girl. I like to be comfortable. Long sleeve or short sleeve? I definitely say short. I get hot so easily. Dresses or skirts? Definitely dresses. I don't own any skirts. Stripes or plaid? Definitely plaid. I'm really into plaid and flannel, stuff like that. Flip-flops or sandals? I definitely would say flip-flops, the Old Navy flip-flops you can get for 2 for $5. Those are my jam during the summertime. Scarves or hats? Definitely baseball caps. I have so many that I'll just throw on and go whenever I need to run errands or anything like that and I don't feel like fixing my hair. Studs or dangly earrings? I guess say studs for everyday wear because I do have kids, so it's more practical. Necklaces or bracelets? Bracelets, because my 1-year-old likes to pull on my necklaces when I wear them. Cowboy boots or riding boots? Cowboy boots. I am from Southern Arkansas I used to own horses, and that's what we did like every single day. And I don't have horses anymore, but I'm out in the yard a lot, and so I do have a pair of Justin boots. I'll insert a picture so you can see what I'm talking about, but I just wear them around the yard and, you know, stuff like that. Jacket or hoodie. I reach for a jacket more than anything, but I love lounging around the house in a hoodie. Forever 21 or Charlotte Russe. Charlotte Russe, I used to be obsessed with that store. Oh my gosh. I haven't shopped there in forever, but they used to be like my favorite store. Abercrombie or Hollister. I have not shopped for either of these since I was like in high school, which was like 11 years ago. But if I had to choose, I would say Hollister. My late husband was obsessed with those Hollister V-neck shirts. He had one in like every color, so I would have to say Hollister for him. Saks Fifth or Nordstrom. I've never shopped at either, so I don't really have an opinion. Curly or straight hair. My hair is as straight as a board. It won't hardly curl to save my life, so definitely straight. Bun or ponytail. I love wearing my hair in a bun, but I'm so tall, so like getting in and out of the car, it hits the top so much and it always gets messed up, or my 1-year-old will grab it. So I just, yeah. Bobby pins or butterfly clips. Definitely bobby pins. Hairspray or gel. Definitely hairspray. Oh, and I forgot this one. Heels or flats. I'm 5'9" and my husband is 5'10", so definitely flats. My late husband was like 6'3", so I could have gotten away with wearing heels, but I just don't feel comfortable in them. Long or short, back to my hair. I usually have my hair cut short, but I'm trying to grow it out. So this is the longest I think it has ever been. And I'm honestly thinking about cutting it again. I won't like how Lucy Hale has hers in Pretty Little Liars, like that, just straight blunt cut all the way around. Let me know what y'all think. I don't know yet. Light or dark. I usually keep it dark, but I love having blonde hair. I just hate how damaging the bleach is on my hair. I do miss it, but I usually keep it dark. Side sweep bangs or full bangs. I just rock the full bangs so I can just throw it back and get them out of my face. Up or down. Y'all know me, I usually have my hair up. And this is just random, rain or shine. I am definitely a shine kind of girl. Storms terrify me. And I know it doesn't, I am over here stuttering. I know it doesn't say storms, but usually rain involves a storm. Luckily, our neighbor has a storm shelter. Brandy, if you're watching this, thank you so much for letting us get in it the other day. I was so terrified. Anyways, but yeah, I love the sunshine. Summer or winter? I would definitely have to say winter. I just hate being hot. I hate it. And it gets so hot here and so humid. It is so humid here. Fall or spring? I am a fall kind of girl. I hate the pollen. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. So yes, fall. Chocolate or vanilla? Oh, I'm a chocoholic. Oh my gosh. I love chocolate. And East Coast or West Coast? And I have never been all the way to the West Coast. I've been to California, but just inside the border, just so I can say I've been to California. And I've been to like, I can't remember if it was South Carolina or North Carolina when I was younger, but not all the way to the coast. But I definitely like the East Coast better. I just love all the mountains and I don't know, I just loved it over there. My phone is almost dead, so sorry I zoomed through that. But yeah, I will have this link in my description box, and the 3 people that I'm gonna tag are Valitra and Chrissy. I'm tagging you, girl. I want to see your answers on this. And Sarah, I know your channel is more of like lifestyle and stuff like that, but I know that you love tag videos. So Sarah, I want to tag you too. And yeah, anybody else wants to do this, feel free to do it. I'll have the link in the description box. And that is it for this video. I will see y'all later. Toodles.